Hi everyone, this is Kaide, the licensed immigration consultant of Kumoto Immigration Firm, and I'm just doing a quick announcement. We're gonna be doing live this week to discuss about our job opportunity for Singapore. So we have general workers for Singapore. We are hiring general workers or cashier for Minimart in Singapore, as well as carpenter and landscape worker for a construction company in Singapore. So stay tuned guys, within this week we are gonna go on live, but the details of the job will be posted on an artwork next to this video or after this video. Details of the job will be posted on this video as well. Stay tuned, we will do a live and we will do a content about our Singapore job hire. Do not forget to follow this account and watch our contents and stay tuned.